guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Jessica J. If you're new here, welcome. And to all my returning subscribers, thank you guys so much for coming back. Thank you guys so much for subscribing. We have some new subscribers and I'm just so happy that you guys are really loving the new content. By the way, to all the new viewers, I do home decor videos and lifestyle videos. So if that interests you in any way, subscribe for more videos. So today we're gonna do a collective haul. You guys know that I'm trying to decorate this house. It's been like a blank slate for so long. We're in quarantine. It's like, now's the perfect time. So I've been going ham, but trying to save money. Hence why I've been shopping at HomeGoods, outlet stores, Target. What else do we have here? Amazon, Ikea, and I think that's about it. Oh, I even got some stuff from CB2, which I did save some money there. And yeah, so let's get started with this haul. So I'll start with Target. I've been needing candles, more so candles for decor purposes. I don't plan on burning these anytime soon, but they're just so beautiful and they smell amazing. Okay, so the first candle I got is by the Project 62 line from Target. I don't want to butcher any of these names because they're crazy names, but this one smells so good. And that's the scent that it's in. I love how it's in this ceramic looking bowl, but kind of looks like concrete in a way. I love the color. You guys, this candle smells so good. And it's a coconut and soy wax blend candle with essential oils. It's lead free. I like getting candles that are healthier for you to burn. So that's what attracted me to this. Like 2 thumbs up all around. I also got it in this cream color. So that's the scent that it's in. This one smells really good. Oh, hold on. This one smells really good too, but I'm like, this one was originally my favorite. Yeah. This one's still my favorite as far as the scent goes. I love these candles. So Project 62, y'all are doing y'all thing. So I picked up another candle. This is by the Threshold line by Studio McGee. And this is in the sandalwood tobacco. I can pronounce that just fine. But it's a little one. I just needed something small to go on a tray I have in the kitchen. I love the color. I love the texture. This thing is just perfect. This is a smaller one. I did notice they have 2 other sizes when I went to a different store. They have a very large bowl and they have like a medium size one. So yeah, if you guys want to check that out. The smell is a little bit more subtle. This one I do not plan on burning at all. This is just for looks. Okay, another item I got from Target. And I actually saw this coffee table book at HomeGoods, but the cover was kind of damaged. And what I didn't realize was how beautiful this book was without the cover. And I'll show you guys in a second. I just would have gotten it from HomeGoods. But the cool thing is this book is on sale at Target right now for 30% off. So I think I saved a little bit more just from getting it at Target. But this is a Joanna Gaines HOMEBODY book, a guide to creating spaces you never want to leave. I like that. So I've been reading this book. I've been trying to learn as much as I can. Let me show you guys the cover before I take it off. I've been trying to learn as much as I can and go more in depth and just kind of like add more to my knowledge on home decor. So the beauty of this book is underneath this cover. And if you guys are looking for table, coffee table books, try, unless you really like the cover and it kind of goes with your style, then that's fine to just leave it on. But if it doesn't really go with the style, check to see what's underneath the cover. But it's just a beautiful, simple, I'm all about simplicity and everything. And I love this book. Okay, so that's everything from Target. So let's move on to Amazon. I got some good stuff from Amazon, you guys. We'll start with more coffee table books while we're talking about coffee table books. This one right here, this is a beauty, okay? This book is called Simplicity. Here's what the cover looks like. This is a really big book, but the cover right here is what really grabbed my attention. This is just my whole vibe. I love how it just catches your eye. I love how it's different, but for the area I'm using it in, this doesn't really necessarily go. But I like moving things around the house until it kind of has its set spot. So depending on where this ends up, I probably will use it just like this, because I love items that kind of catch your eye and just make you think that's different. And I kind of like that. I plan on definitely reading all of these new books that I got and just, learn as much as I can. Okay, next up from Amazon, I got this book. It's called Beautifully Organized. So I didn't realize how small this book was gonna be. So this book ended up in my bedroom, and it's the perfect size for my dresser. Okay, last item from Amazon are these faux olive branches. I love the deep green color. I'm using these in the middle of my dining table. I plan on doing a dining room makeover for you guys, and these are definitely gonna be in the video. I'm just waiting on more to come. This thing comes in a set of 3. Okay, so that's it for Amazon. Next up, let's go on to HomeGoods. You guys know you will not see a collective haul without HomeGoods. I had a vision of getting one of those pedestal cutting boards, a little tiny one, and putting this on that. I keep this in my kitchen right now, and I just kind of use it to put my chapstick in. But this is that brand and I'll put it on the screen because I forgot the name of it. But it's that brand that is really expensive at Saks, but it's very, very, very affordable at HomeGoods. This bulb was $10. It's super heavy, super cute. This thing's 5 pounds. Another item that I got from HomeGoods are these 2 pictures. I absolutely love these pictures. I just don't know if they're too small for this wall, so they might get moved to somewhere else, but right now they are here to stay. That's the painter right there. And this came in a set of 2 at HomeGoods. Okay, next up from HomeGoods, it's gonna be a little bit of a project, so use your imagination for this one. So when I bought this, the shape really drew me into it, but I don't have anything red. Red doesn't really go with the vibe of my house, so I plan on spray painting it. So I'm kind of tested out the different spray paints I have. I think what I'm gonna end up doing is spray painting all of it black and then going over it with this color and kind of roughing it up. So it kind of has this vibe right here. I love how it looks antique-ish, and I love the shape of it. This was gonna go on my dining room table, but it ended up being too small. So we're gonna find another place for this baby right here. And last from HomeGoods is a geocrystal, you guys. I finally found one. How freaking gorgeous is this? It's so perfect. I love the color of it. It just goes with the house. It just goes. It just goes. Okay, so now I got items here and there at different stores. We'll start off with this cutting board right here that I got from the West Elm outlet store. This one was $34. I'm I'm gonna come back because you guys always have sales. And I went back, I ended up getting it for 14 bucks out the door. I love this shape. I'm so into cutting boards. Okay, so aligned with those type of stores, I finally got my hands on some pampas grass, finally. I looked on Etsy shops and everything, and they were kind of pricey, but I found these on CB2. They were super affordable. They are faux, but I like it that way because I have kids and they, can sometimes mess with things. So I don't have to worry about anything falling off of this. It comes in a set of 3, but yeah, this is just the perfect color. Absolutely love those. Next up is Ikea. So I was looking for some placemats for my table. So I picked up these, but I didn't end up liking it. So instead of taking it back, I think this will look perfect in a backyard, or in my backyard, on a dining room table setup out there. So once I get that, these will be going out there when we use that area. So I just decided to keep those for that reason. And the last thing I got from Ikea is this tray. This is supposed to be a tray for my alcohol and my cabinet. It's a little big, it didn't end up fitting. So right now I'm just using this on my side table in my living room, but I think I'm gonna use this for parties. I'll have my drink sitting on this. So you guys know I'm working on this over here. If you guys don't follow me on Instagram, my name on there is MyJessicaJ. I'm really active on there, and I kind of had a couple of choices of what I should do with this area. So yeah, it's pretty fun what we do over there. So if you guys don't follow me already, follow me on there. So I finally got this pillow. You guys know I've been trying, well, if you guys follow me on there, you know I've been trying to get my hands on this pillow. It's a African MUDCLOTH pillow. This goes over there. I love this pillow. Like, I love everything about, let me get it up close so you guys can really see the detail. I did wash it, and I should have put it inside out. So it faded a little bit, but you can't really tell. But I just love this pillow. So that is over there. And then the last thing I got was from Michael's, which you guys know, or you don't know, now you do. I'm gonna do a gallery wall over there, and I have my frames. So I picked these up, 9 of them from Michael's. They were buy one, get one half off, so I got a super good deal. It's 11 by 14 frame, fits a 5 by 7 picture. I just can't wait to get this together. I need to pick out pictures and then get that wall together. I'm just tired of this blank wall. All right, guys, so that's everything that I got recently. I'm really happy and excited for all these items, and just put it in my home and design it and have it make it look nice. If you guys enjoy videos like this, please give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe so you guys don't miss out on any future videos, and I will see you guys very soon in the next video. Bye.